Ever wonder how packages arrive on time or how ride sharing apps get you from point A to B so efficiently? Behind the scenes, route planners are the masterminds orchestrating these complex movements. They ensure goods, services, and people reach their destination seamlessly. Today, we delve into the intricate world of route planning, providing a comprehensive roadmap for those intrigued by this dynamic career path. We'll explore the responsibilities of a route planner, their daily tasks, and the crucial role they play in various sectors. Discover the essential skills needed to thrive in this field, from analytical thinking to problem solving prowess. We'll also highlight the importance of teamwork and the sophisticated tools at a route planner's disposal. Examine the hurdles route planners face, such as handling unexpected disruptions and managing tight deadlines. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to navigate the exciting landscape of route planning. A route planner's day is anything but mundane. Imagine yourself at the helm, juggling multiple deliveries, optimizing routes for efficiency, and ensuring timely arrivals. Your responsibilities extend far beyond simply plotting points on a map. You analyze delivery schedules, evaluate factors like distance and traffic, and craft the most efficient routes possible. Communication is paramount. You act as a linchpin between drivers, dispatchers, and customers, relaying crucial information. Whether it's providing real time updates or resolving unexpected delays, your ability to communicate effectively ensures smooth operations. You may also be involved in tasks such as loading and unloading vehicles, verifying delivery manifests, and ensuring the safe transportation of goods. This hands on aspect of the job requires physical stamina and a commitment to upholding safety protocols. Aspiring route planners, are you ready to embark on a journey filled with logistical challenges and rewarding triumphs? To excel in this dynamic field, a unique blend of skills and experiences is essential. Employers typically seek individuals with a strong foundation in logistics, supply chain management, or related fields. Analytical thinking is crucial for optimizing routes, anticipating potential bottlenecks, and developing contingency plans. Exceptional problem solving abilities are highly sought after to handle unexpected delays, traffic snarls, and vehicle breakdowns. Your ability to think on your feet and adapt to unforeseen circumstances will be tested regularly. Effective communication is the lifeblood of this role, from providing updates to drivers to addressing customer inquiries. Behind every successful route planner lies a collaborative spirit and a mastery of cutting edge tools. Teamwork forms the bedrock of efficient route planning operations. Route planners collaborate closely with various stakeholders, each contributing their unique skills to achieve a common goal. Effective communication and a collaborative mindset are crucial for fostering strong working relationships. Sophisticated routing software equipped with GPS tracking, real time traffic updates, and advanced algorithms are indispensable for optimizing routes. Familiarity with these tools is not merely an advantage, but a necessity for excelling in this field. The life of a road planner, while rewarding, is not without its challenges. Unforeseen circumstances such as traffic accidents, inclement weather, and vehicle breakdowns are par for the course. Your ability to adapt quickly, devise alternative routes, and communicate effectively is crucial for minimizing disruptions. Tight deadlines and the pressure to optimize efficiency can sometimes lead to stressful situations. However, the rewards of a career in route planning extend far beyond overcoming challenges. The demand for skilled route planners continues to grow, offering competitive salaries and attractive benefits packages. As you gain experience, you can climb the ranks to supervisory or managerial positions, overseeing teams of route planners and taking on greater responsibilities.